guys, my name is YBS Owaya.
Ay,
I'm
talaga.
Tinday.
Ay,
How old are you?
Why?
talaga boses.
What's your favorite color?
Yellow.
What's your favorite food?
Apple. Fruit. Fruit.
What's your favorite
Fruit.
fruit?
Apple ya.
What's your favorite vegetable?
Carrots. What's your favorite t-shirt?
What's your favorite t-shirt?
Pasama.
Pajama.
Pajama?
Yes.
What's your favorite
Metal. Mommy.
Nani mas kanin?
Pet.
Pet. Alright.
Cat.
Oh.
Manginising ka.
Who's your favorite teacher?
Ma'am, teacher.
Ano?
My,
Kalinguan na lagi yun.
Nailagi teacher mo.
Aima.
Teacher Alma.
Yes. Dati kaya talaga ako. Wala ako.
Where is your school?
Mataway.
White yapin na. White yapin na.
Okay. Say goodbye to your viewers. Say goodbye to your viewers.
Bye guys.
Hello guys.
Bye-bye na ka
See you
guys.
later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye guys.
Bye-bye guys.
See you later.
Waiting.
Wow.
We're